Hello and welcome to my channel. So I have this question in chemistry from JAM 2001. The question said an element X with relative atomic mass 16.2 contains two isotopes, isotope 16 with relative abundance of 90% and isotope M with relative abundance of 10%. What is the value of M? So let's see their ratio of combination first. The ratio of combination is 90% is to 10%, right? So this is equivalent to what? 9 is to 1, right? So if you have that to be 9 is to 1, then summing up the ratios now, ratio sum will give us 9 plus 1, that gives us 10, right? Okay, so if I've gotten the ratio 10, so for isotope 16, how do we get the relationship between this ratio and this isotope? We'll take for isotope 16, we have the relative abundance to be 9 here, 90%, which we take to be 9 here. So we have 9 over what? The total ratio, which is 10 times 16, right? So what are we going to get? Let's multiply that value together. 9 times 16 is going to give us what? 144. So divide it by 10. So it's going to give us 14.4. Now let's see for isotope M, which is mx8, right? The relative abundance is 10. So we're going to have, since we break down the ratio to 1, so we have 1 over 10 times m, which is the atomic mass, right? So we're going to have what? M divided by 10, which is what? 0.1 m, right? If we divide it. Okay, now when we add up this value to this value, it's going to give us the relative atomic mass. So the relative atomic mass now, atomic mass is equals to the this value, which is 14.4 plus 0.1 m. This relative atomic mass is already given in the question to be what? 16.2. So if we have 16.2 here, is equals to 14.4 plus 0.1 m, because that's the m we are looking for, right? So now let's collect like terms. So for collecting like terms, we have 16.2 minus 14.4, which is equal to 0.1 m. So let's subtract these values now. Let's have it. We have a 16.2 minus 14.4. So we're going to be having 1.8, and it's equals to 0.1 m. So now that we are looking for m, let's rearrange this equation like this, and it's equals to 1.8. So if we are looking for m, we divide both sides by 0.1, right? So this will take all this, and then your m will be 1.8 divided by 0.1. So let's divide it by 0.1. So we're going to be having what? 18. So what it means is the value of m is what? 18. So we want to get the second isotope with relative abundance of 10%. Is going to be xm, and then this m is now 18x8. So the two isotopes are x16 8 and x16 8. 18 here. So without even anyone telling us, we know that this is oxygen already. All right, so I will see you in the next video where we solve other interesting questions. Bye for now.